letting my husband know. Grandkids are coming. Okay, grandkids are coming over tomorrow, and I never have snacks in the house, so they're gonna have some pizza, hot dogs, and some of this cookie stuff is for actually the guys for worship team tonight. But the other stuff is for them for Sunday morning to have a snack before we do Arcadia. But anyway, I never had this stuff in the house. They'll have fun. Okay, it's starting to rain. What are we doing, Levi?
Wait, it's getting too soaked.
Okay, now take it out. Now what did Daddy say to do with it next?
Hey, it's turning orange.
He said set it aside, right? And we don't do it yet, do we?
I think.
Carefully.
Hey, Rain, it's mine.
Okay, so what did you... Rain, I got the video on. So what did you do? You put this out in the rain till it just got sprinkled on real good, right, buddy? Right?
Yep.
Okay. And now you're going to take it off. See what happens. Oh my gosh, look at that. Turn it around this way. Let me see. Oh, it did. It transferred it over to there. Okay, good. Let me get it.
It's raindrops.
It's raindrops where the raindrops were on it, huh? Cool.
We're like.
Okay, so what is this we have here?
Okay.
Is this Rain's bakery shop? What do you have today, Rain?
Okay, food. Today we have food.
Looks like thumbprint cookies. These are called thumbprint cookies.
Never. No, you don't touch them with your hand.
Oh, you're right. We don't touch. We let her.
Okay, hold on.
You point them out.
Anything else would you like? This and this.
What are these here?
Those are blueberries.
Blueberry muffins. And what are these?
Chocolate.
And what are these?
I'll have two of those though.
These cookies. Okay.
Two of
and
what?
Levi?
No.
Oh, no. Only we have to save for others. So you can only pick one now and you can shop again later.
Yeah, shop again.
Okay. But you can pick something for Papa. What does Papa want?
Another blueberry.
Amen. Okay, you're going to get a blueberry.
Two blueberries.
Okay.
One for Papa.
One for
Okay,
Papa.
that'd be 4 doll hairs. I said doll hairs. Those that you're not a doll.
Okay.
I said dollars.
Okay, $4.
Here you go. Would you like another napkin? Nah. Okay. Hello, ma'am. What would you... Oh, wait! No! I forgot to use the calculator. Thank you,
Oh, thank you, buddy.
So, I would like one of the chocolate muffins. Okay, so that's 1 plus 1 equals, how do I do, equals $4. Thank you for the money. Okay, now what would you like before you gave me your credit card? Hold on, you have to, what would you like first?
Chocolate.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. That would be $6.
I already gave you my credit card.
Oh.
Very good.
Now
You!
now you give it back.
There you go.
Thank you for your service. Come again.
I'm poor.
Okay.
So what are you making?
I'm making a menu.
Rain
very
didn't give me
cool.
half. Rain still.
So,
Yes, I did.
where did you get that yummy juice? Was that from Nana's juice station? How much did that juice cost you? A hug? Nana gets a hug.
Bye.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Chocolate cookies.
What'd you say we are? It's the farmer's market.
Insurance. I haven't.
The babies are all in the babysitter, so they can sleep while the mommies go shopping. Here's Kira's store. Huh?
Do you need insurance?
Is this Kira's store? And then we're going to go over to Levi's store. Levi, what are you selling?
Insurance.
You're selling insurance? Very good. car insurance for our cars?
It's only pay for what you need.
It's Geico.
And
I gotta make the list.
and then we have Rain's Bakery Shop open for business.
Yep. And I'm making a menu.
Very cool. And then we have Nana's Juice Station.
Hey, we didn't
You get your healthy organic juice for a hug. What? What'd you say?
This is the Baba Lisa and this is raindrops that are colored.
Did you create those? So you own a museum? Where's your museum? There's your museum. And where's your insurance office? And you're selling Geico. How much?
190. No. 100.
What's so good about your insurance company?
If your car gets crashed, to repair it, it only costs 1 cent.
That is really good. I'm going to take it to you.
And
Okay,
they
this
treat
is
it like
Kira's
a
babysitting service. How many babies are you watching today?
And
3. Do they have names?
Yes.
What are their names?
Come buy a chocolate.
Lily?
It only costs 300. It only costs $387 for what?
You got to give her a name, huh?
Cereal.
How about Susie? And then that one?
No, I don't want it.
Linda.
How about Daisy?
Yeah. Hi there. Are you here for a bracelet? Because I know just the bracelet you want.
Do you have anything in purple or lavender?
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's the custom one you made for me.
Yards.
I love it. Okay, how much is it?
$20.
$20. Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to wear it. So beautiful, handmade. Look at all those beautiful beads on there. That smiley face. Nice. Thank you, Rain.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're going to do a song. What song are we going to do?
These are fluffy.
And what? Let me hear your bunny sing it. Where did you get those?
You.
Do you remember when I got you those?
For Easter.
For Easter, almost 2 years ago, you still have them. Turn them around the back. And that one says Levi. Kira, you get your finger off it. You can't read it. And that one says Kira, and Rain has one somewhere.
It's in my room.
And anyway, okay, so now we're gonna practice.
Real stylish shoes, but this is Bob.
That's Bob. What are you doing to poor Bob?
We're torturing.
Yeah. Bob is the torture chamber, even though he did nothing.
In the torture
No,
chamber?
he stole $1,000 from the bank.
That monster, fry him.
So we got a torture chamber him.
Yeah,
Kira wants
torture chamber
to-
him. Oh.
Ah! Kira, it's a meteor!
Okay, don't get. Did you line it up? Good job, guys.
Here we go.
Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong. They are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. One more time. Jesus loves me, yes I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong. They are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. All the precious people they sing for. Thank you guys. Oh, they're playing musical chairs. Ah, you're good.
Very
And everybody's safe almost.
Ah.
Lilith's not. Yeah, are you the Lilith?
No, Kira is.
Okay. But smallest
I need to get some miles.
He almost fell off that machine because it wasn't stopped.
Uh-oh.
And it said in the rule it has to stop. All right.
Okay, I gotta get back to loading up the equipment. Thanks, Arlene.